Hello students, today we are going to read chapter 2 of Moral Science Hula Baloo. In this chapter we will read about patriotism, what patriotism means and how patriotic persons do the works for their own country and how those who are not patriotic at all how they work for their country. So in this we will read about a king who was a bad leader. A bad leader is never a patriotic for their own country. So let's start our story. Once there was a king. He was sitting with his minister and having his meal. When he was eating his meal, he wanted to see in the street below. So he went to window to see the street. When he and his minister both were discussing something, then suddenly a drop of honey fall on the wall or the window. Then his assistant said that he will wipe out. But the king said that don't mind, it's not a big deal. The servicemen will come and they will clean it afterwards. Suddenly, a drop of that honey slipped down the window and fell on the ground. Soon after, a fly came and started licking that honey as its meal. Now, when that fly was eating honey, at that time a bird came and catch that fly as its meal. Suddenly, cat saw the bird. Now, cat wanted to eat the bird, so she attacked on that bird. A dog was passing by. He smelled a cat and he sprang forward and attacked on the cat. When there was a noise in the street, at that time the king and his assistant they were discussing something. Then the assistant told the king that it seems to be a cat and a dog fighting in the street. He said to the king that shall we call someone to stop it? Then the king said, no, it's not a big deal. You don't mind. And then they continued munching on their honey with the rice. Soon after, cat's owner came and began beating the dog. When dog's owner saw that another person is beating his dog, he came in between, and both the owners started fighting with each other. Now the assistant heard some noise in the street. He told the king that two men are fighting in the street. Should he send someone to stop the fight? Now the king was very lazy. He looked down into the street and he told his assistant, never mind, it's not a big deal, and started eating his meal again. Now in the street, the cat owners as well as the dog owner's friend gathered and they started cheering their own friends. Now both the groups joined the fight and they started attacking on each other. Assistant again told the king that people are fighting in the street. Should we call someone to stop the fight? King was not interested in all to even look at the fight also. So he again said, never mind, it's not a big deal. Now, when the fight was going on at that time, soldiers arrived. First, they find out that why cat owner as well as the dog owners were fighting. When they know about the real reason of the fight, they were also divided into two groups. Some joined cat owner's side and some soldiers joined dog owner's side. Now, because of the involvement of the soldiers, this fight became a warlike situation. It turned into a civil war. Now, houses were burned down, people were hurt, and the palace was also set ablaze and razed to the ground. Now, the king and his assistant, they were surveying that what is happening. They were looking at the debris, at the damage. Now the king realized his fault. He said that I was wrong. The peace, law and order of my country is my problem. But now thinking of the king was very late, as the damage has been already done. Blind faith in bad leaders is not called patriotism. So we should select our leaders very carefully. Now the assistant believed in his king. So it was a blind faith on the king that everything will be all right. Now if he wanted to stop the fight, then he can, because he was the assistant and he was having the right to interfere in the matters of the state, but he did not. And king was also not loyal towards his own country. That's why he was not able to stop the fighting, as he was very lazy. That's why it is said that bad leaders always bring down the country and good leaders always raise their country. Now, moral of the story is patriotism means loyalty of person to his own nation or the leaders of the nation. So, we should be cautious while selecting our leaders, that who are the good leaders and who are not the good leaders, who will do good things for the country. So it is all up to us that what we are selecting. If we are selecting good people, then our country will develop. If not, then country will not develop. It came to an end. With this, we conclude this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.